Hi, I'm Kim. I'm here from Eijkelkamp UK with my colleague.
And I'm Alex, and I'm from Eijkelkamp North America.
Today we're looking at the Eijkelkamp pocket sieve. So this handy piece of kit can be used in the field. Really simple to use. So the set itself comes with 6 discs. They vary from a 2mm to a 0.063mm. And Alex is going to explain a little bit more about how we're going to use those.
So it's really simple. You'll start with the largest sieve, the 2mm. You pop it into the body. There's a spacer plate that holds it in place. You have your tared or your weighed pan that you put underneath, and then we just shake it.
Give it a shake.
Shake it, you open it up, and you can see here that we have nothing above 2 mils, and we have everything in the pan. So we would go to the next size, we'd weigh it, see how much that is, put the 1 mil, weigh it, all the way down, and shake it until you have the mass fractions between each of these different sieve sizes. Normally I would want to use a laboratory one because I don't like to do a lot of work, right? Let's get a machine to do it. But let's say we're out in the field, we can't carry that with us, but we want to have a pretty good idea of what's going on.
Yeah.
This in combination with our pocket scale is what you're going to need, that way you can get that mass fraction.
And as we said, it's a really great piece of kit, really simple to take out with you in the field. Don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn, have a look at our YouTube page and follow all of our videos for more and more information about our Eijkelkamp products.